Hey man, I can't see the TV that well. You think you can get up and turn the light off?
I'll try it. Nah, I'm too lazy. Can you do it?
I mean, I guess I can try.
If only there was a way to turn it off without getting up.
Do I have a solution for you?
Whoa, man, where'd you come from? You don't live here.
Don't worry about that. Allow me to present to you the Lazy Lumen.
Wow.
Whoa.
Let me show you how it works. Look here. Have you ever found yourself needing to turn off a light without needing to get up? I present to you the Lazy Lumen. The Lazy Lumen is our patent-pending device to help make smart lighting a breeze. Our user interface shows you all the information you need, including light status, time, and controls. The Lazy Lumen features 3 different modes depending on your light switching needs. Manual mode lets you control the light from the comfort of your couch with the RF transmitter remote control. Motion mode turns the light on when it senses your movement using the built-in IR LED and sensor. And it automatically turns off again when you leave the room to keep your electricity bills low. Finally, the timed mode helps you wake up by turning on the light at whatever time you set it to. The Lazy Lumen can be mounted using just 2 steps. Place the mounting bracket over the light switch and secure the Lazy Lumen onto the bracket. It's so simple, even a lazy person can do it. And it has all sorts of other features too. The Lazy Lumen's a perfect Christmas gift to get anyone you know who's feeling particularly lazy, and the elderly love it too.
Thanks, Lazy Lumen.
Call the number on screen now to receive a Lazy Lumen for the low price of $99.99. In fact, call within the next 10 minutes and receive a second Lazy Lumen absolutely free.